In this video, we'll show you how to add a post and page grid block on your WordPress site, using the Responsive Block Editor Addons. The post and page grid block provides options to showcase custom post types anywhere on the page. It also provides category controls to choose categories or tags. Before getting started, you need to make sure that you have the responsive Gutenberg blocks library installed and activated on your website. Check out the link in the description below to find out how to install it. So, let's get started. Open a page or a post and click on the plus icon to add a new block. Now, look for the post and page grid block, or you can search for it if it doesn't pop up quickly for you. By default, it will look like this. To configure the content of your post and page grid, switch to the Content tab. Here, you can choose the text alignment and the content type as post or page. The taxonomy option is available to filter your post from categories or tags. Upon selecting categories, category control will be visible to allow you to choose posts according to categories. Under the Post and Page Grid Settings tab, you can increase or decrease the number of posts to display and set the order of the posts. The Number of Items to Offset option allows you to select the number of posts to skip in the display. You can also set the number of columns to be displayed, equal height, post pagination, and the page limit here. Under the Post and Page Grid Markup tab, you can select the tag that you want to allot to the grid section, such as div, header, section, main, aside, footer, and set the title heading tag. Under the Post and Page Grid Content tab, you can hide or display a title on top of the post grid, hide or display the title, author, publish date, and excerpt of the post. Here, you can also choose to hide or display a continue reading link for the post. To style the post and page grid block, switch to the Style tab. Under the Typography tab, options for font family, font size, font weight, line height, and text transform are available for excerpt, meta, title, and read more link. Then, you can customize the border of the block under the border settings. You can also give a box shadow to the block. Under the Color tab, color options are available for blog post background, title, meta, excerpt, read more link, and read more hover color. In the Pagination tab, select the layout and alignment of pagination. You can also give border size and border radius from here. You can set the color for the text and customize the spacing between numbers from here. Under the Spacing tab, you can manage the spacing for the content of the block. Under the Advanced tab, you can add additional CSS to the block. Once you are satisfied with the settings, click on the Update button. So, this is how you can add and customize the post and page grid block on your WordPress website. For more tutorials about responsive Gutenberg blocks library and WordPress, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.